Marty pushed his way in the door this morning with Stripe, and it's raining out there again, of course. And I'm late because it's Sunday, and with it being cloudy, I guess Don and I just didn't know what time it was to wake up. And anyway, Marty's better now. You can go get some, because Stripe waits till the bowl's empty. He just doesn't like to fight that crowd. And Nighttime thinks she's going to get some dry chow, and I'm going to pull it. Come on back, Morris. It's raining. I'll move out of the way so you can get back where it's dry. It's not pouring, but it's, you know, it's raining enough. I don't want anybody stuck out in the rain. As Marty ate some in the house, he's going to go for seconds. We know our Marty cat, and he loves his food. There's Tux. I forget what Don said we had a ½ inch, and he emptied, or maybe he didn't empty them, I'm not sure, but we had a ½ inch of rain overnight. Alright, now we have legitimate thunder rumbling. And showing you that Tux is doing good. He had nice fresh chicken while he was really hungry because Mom was late. I'm going to keep his dry bowl dry and closer. And he does really good up here. If he didn't like it or think it was safe, he wouldn't stay there. At least the orange kitties, I believe, are in the cat hotel. They're not liking the thunder, though. Lots of noise, but a nice gentle rain. I think most of the petals on the ground are the flowers from the big tulip poplar. They're the petals from the tree. You look quite relaxed.
Yes, I'm enjoying my first few sips of coffee, and I'm reading the newspaper.
Let's see, are you happy or confused, cheerful, sad, sleepy, angry? Lift it up a little bit. There you go. Okay, excited, proud, or frustrated? Let's just say happy.
Yeah, I'm happy now.
You got coffee and the paper, and it's raining, so your wife won't be begging you to walk in the next 15 minutes.
Yeah, well, that's okay. We'll get her walking.
So just so you guys are reminded, it may not be an official holiday, but it is May the 4th coming up this week. That's and right. Dawn knows that means it's Star Wars all day, all week, all the time.
You'll be seeing me in my Star Wars regalia.
Yeah, I was a little bummed I saw that. Well, we didn't have tickets this year anyway, but the Durham Bulls had their Star Wars night last night.
Yeah,
which was a little unusual. They must not be home on the 4th.
Right.
Because when they're home on the 4th, they have it on the 4th. And we've been before in all of our Star Wars shirts and stuff. They had some of the 501st Legion Star Wars characters out there. Nice. They had some of the kids were the sand people.
Oh, okay.
And they had stormtroopers and they had people out there I saw some pictures on the news. It's always a fun time if you haven't ever gone to a Durham Bulls game. Highly recommend a game this summer, and it doesn't have to be because you like baseball.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just kind of nice to go out there and sit in the evening with the other in a good mood people. So. Well,
they celebrate several local type things like Star Wars and obviously the 4th of July and a couple other ones.
Yeah, the fireworks is an awesome place to go see them. You just sit in your seat and they put on the show right in front of you. It's I always enjoy that. Well, anyway, I'll get on my Star Wars shirt after I put up the Easter stuff, but today is put away Easter.
Sure.
I had planned to put it up at the end of April, and I need to put it up. I'm so sorry I'm keeping you up. It's a rainy, sleepy day.
Well, I've only had literally
2 sips.
That's all the coffee I've had.
Okay.
So I haven't had much yet, so it hasn't kicked in.
Well, anyway, I'm going to put Easter up before it's the 1st of May. That was always my plan. And a couple of the spots, I'm not sure what's going up prior to 4th of July stuff, Memorial Day stuff. It's a little It's a little too early for patriotism, although that's good any time of the year. But you know what I mean. So anyway, that first, and then maybe some Legos this afternoon. I hope.
Sure.
Gray's not waiting here for me, and that's because she doesn't like the thunder and lightning, even though it really, all things considered, it's not been bad at all. But it did thunder and lightning for a minute, and she's most likely hid under here, but she might have gone under the couch. Are you under here, sweetheart? Nope, she's scared. She's under the couch. She'll come out when Johnny comes in. Her food will be waiting on her. I'm sorry, Gray. I'm sorry, Gray. Mama's here. You could come see me. It's definitely more of a mess before it's not. Do I need to bring you coffee?
No, I'm good. I think, unless I got any left.
I'll look. It's 2:30 now, and we got another thunder shower storm coming through. Hey, Tux, he's a good boy. Other kitties are in the cat hotel. Gray's hit again. I just about got things put back together in here. I could use one more thing up top. And the summer village pieces I've been collecting. I think some of them are Yankee Candle, and I'm not sure about the others. Are out here on the fireplace. And then I have 2 empty shelves, and like I said, I just don't want to put up 4th of July yet. That would, or even patriotism for Memorial Day. It's just, I had it up for like 2 months last year, and I'm just not ready for it yet. So I got to think about what I want to go in there. It's kind of really odd that it's empty, and I've been enjoying it lit up with other stuff. I mean, I could fill it with Legos in like 2 minutes, but I don't want to do that. Nighttime. Hi, pretty girl. If I work on my Legos over here, are you going to sit with me and work on my Legos? Is that what it is? Is that what it is, a good girl? So Legos are going on the pie table, and I just put together a small gray kitty, and now I'm going to put together these ginger kitties. Marty and Morris, well, one of them's supposed to be a kitten and one's supposed to be an adult, but you get the gist. I didn't time it, but it's done. It went pretty quick. It was fun. It was easy. I've got gray kitties to put together too. That's very, very similar, just different color kitties. And then a solid tuxedo cat set that unfortunately is retired, but I probably have all the parts, so I'm probably going to have to put that together. And I guess, you know, May's just going to be the month of cats, because I filled up these shelves with kitty stuff. Now, this was stuff that was out sometime last year, and then I had to move it for Christmas, I think, and it hadn't been back out. There was a couple of just generic coffee fun mugs in there, but it's all different, various kitty cats stuff, you know, collected, of course, from Guardian Angel. So until I come up with something else to put in there that's very decorating neutral, non-holiday, and just cute.
So it's raining today. I went out to the garage, and the new dehumidifier basically filled up the bucket overnight. That's pretty cool. So I guess it's official. It's working. Well, we came out winners on the dehumidifier and the Ego battery, but the Amazon Kindle, the $15 new battery, did not fix it, and I have tried resetting it, soldering a switch across the 2 terminals that they didn't populate, and I did everything I could, but no luck. So I'm leaving the battery out. This is the original battery, and I'm going to hold on to this thing, because it's my understanding when Amazon comes out with upgrades, they give you, you know, $30 credit for your old Kindle or something like that. So I'm going to send this one in as my old Kindle.
Stripe and Morris are in the chair over there. Tux is in his normal spot. Hi, bud. And here's a Marty. The sun's trying to come out. The rain has stopped just like they said it should. And Don and I are going to go walk up at South Park.
With a little pee.
Will it help us park?
There it is.
Okay.
No idea which parking place it's going to go into. Either one of them is fine.
I guess I would prefer the car to know where it needs to pull up beside the lines than to do this.
Right.
But, okay.
Well, the other thing it could do, it could pick a couple. And then I can help it out by picking the one that's more likely to make the first try. I mean, I don't doubt it can make any one of them, but the point is, if it gave me a choice of 3 or 4,
yeah,
or, you know, if there is 3 or 4 there, then, you know, I could pick the one that help it out, most likely to make it.
Wow, it's hard to believe it could be this sunny after it stormed that much just a little while ago, but it's really past us now.
Yeah.
Yep, it's wet. 1.83 miles, 43 minutes. It's windy, but we warmed up after we walked around a few times. Headed to the house. We got a standing rib roast in the oven. It comes out at 6:30. It's 5:59. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I got one more thing to do at the house. Go upstairs. I forgot to bring down the summer kitchen hand towel things, and I pulled the Easter ones out, so if I don't go get some more, we won't have enough.
Decisions. So, I have lots of t-shirts and really neat ones for Star Wars. And so my wife, she takes good care of me, and she wants me to wear these things, which I enjoy. They're fun.